Hi everyone. Today for our activity, we are going to play a game of decimal bingo. You will need a piece of paper or your workbook and a pen or a pencil. I will go through the instructions and then we will play. First, I would like you to draw a grid in your book that is 3 squares across and 3 squares down. Pause the video here so you can draw your grid. In each box of your grid, I want you to put a decimal between 0 and 2. Your decimal that you choose must have one digit before the decimal point. This is in the units column, and one digit after the decimal point. This is in your tenths column. I will give you an example now. I could put 0.4. I have 0 in my units column and 4 in my tenths column. Or I could put 1.2. I have 1 in my units column and 2 in my tenths column. Here are some other examples of what you can include in your grid. Pause the video now so you can fill your grid up with all your decimals that you would like to choose. What's going to happen now is I'm going to call out some different decimals. If this decimal is on your grid, I want you to put an X through that number. The aim of the game is to fill up your whole grid, and the first person who does so wins. All right, let's get started. The first decimal that I'm going to call out is 1.2. 0.7, 1.5, 0.2, 1.1, 1.9, 1, 1.3, 0.3, 0.9, 0.1, 1.6, 1.8, 0.4, 0.6, 1.7, 2, 0.8, 1.4, 0.5. How'd you go? Who was the first person to get bingo?